Right. Okay, this is Tate and Cora. They're going to play the Assassination of Lincoln game.
I'll be Lincoln.
No, I will.
No, I will.
You dare to find me, you freak?
Yes, I dare to find you.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
now we will.
We don't have a lot of camera here, so one of you has to be Lincoln.
I'm Lincoln.
Okay.
Fine, and I'm the killer. I like killing people.
Tate. Okay.
Wait.
What are you doing? Don't put the glasses on because they'll break. I don't want the glasses to break.
No.
And it'll hurt her face if you hit her with she's got glasses on.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, the assassinator.
Okay.
Now, Lincoln, your head is going to be smashed by a thing of fire.
No! No! No!
Get your gadget.
You know, last time Lincoln didn't get up and run. You have to stay in your chair, Lincoln.
Okay. I'm going to smash.
Okay, what is it this time?
I'm going to smash Lincoln's head with a thing of concrete. Now, with knives. Now, with wild turkeys.
Wild turkeys.
Now, with fruitcakes.
Fruitcakes.
Now, with rocks.
Oh, he's tapping at the door. Hold on.
Bang, bang, bang.